Hello, my name is John Winger of Porsche Tucson, doing the preservation class on the 928. Well, it's a 1990 928. Actually found it at a salvage auction that had a little bit of under damage, but at the time these weren't worth that much, so we were able to buy it out of an insurance auction and owned it ever since.
What are some things right now that you can just point out that probably need the most work?
Probably I'd say interior. Mechanics look pretty good on it. Suspension work, a lot of polishing, a couple little dings, touch-up work, stuff like that. Styling, I think now they're finally getting the respect that they deserve. The interior, I've always loved the interior. They're harder to come across, you don't see many. My dad had a 356 with a surfboard on the top of it, and ever since a little kid, it's always been Porsche. It's what I always wanted, so it's honestly the first car I ever bought on my own. I've owned 25 since, so it is an honor to represent Porsche Tucson in this, especially doing the preservation class of the 928 here. Genuinely have a love for these cars and love to see them on the road.